I was blown away when I read this book. I have not read any book like this in a very long time, and I was like, what have I read? I'm talking about first things first. My name is Varsha. This is my channel किताबों की वर्षा, and यहाँ पे हम mostly books के बारे में बात करते हैं. The book I'm going to talk about today is Behind Her Eyes by Sarah Pinborough. I am not sure if I'm pronouncing the name correctly, but I started with the series on Netflix. It's by the same name, and that series is based on this book. तो मैंने पहले वो सीरीज़ देखनी स्टार्ट की थी, बट सेकेंड एपिसोड तक आई वॉज लाइक आई शुड बाय द बुक एंड रीड इट पैरेलली विद दिस सीरीज़. तो मैंने बुक खरीदी. आई मैच द पेस लाइक दी चैप्टर्स एंड दी एपिसोड्स मैंने सिंक करने की कोशिश करी, एंड दैट वॉज अ गुड डिसीजन. आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द स्टोरी बट नॉट इन डिटेल्स कि मैं स्पॉयलर्स नहीं देना चाहती इसलिए. Let's start with Louise, who is a single mother. She got divorced and she has a son who is 7 years old. His name is Adam. Louise has night terrors. She sees कि Adam की life, in her dream she sees कि Adam की life is in danger, and she goes through this corridor where from both sides from the wall the shadows are stretching towards her to reach her. They are trying to reach her, and she wakes up most of the nights gasping for air, and she's scared on most of the nights. But she has adjusted herself to it. She has made peace with it in some way. एक दिन हो जाती है बार में. शी वेंट टू मीट हर फ्रेंड, बट उसकी फ्रेंड नहीं आती है, एंड शी एक्सीडेंटली मीट्स दिस गाय जिसका नाम है डेविड. They had a good time, they enjoyed each other's company, and by the time they were leaving the bar, they kissed briefly, but David pulled back and he said that I can't do this, I'm really sorry, and he went away. This left Louise a little confused क्योंकि उसने बहुत टाइम बाद ऐसा कुछ फील किया था, and she felt very good about herself that a man found her desirable, and she wanted to feel that feeling. So she could see that this guy could be the one. This guy could be the guy she can live with. She can have a new beginning, and all of those things where she was thinking. But then she was like कि ये क्या हुआ exactly इस moment में, and she was confused. She could not understand that what exactly happened. She went back home. Next day वो ऑफिस जाती है, and she sees कि जिस क्लिनिक में वो काम करती है उसके हेड के केबिन में 2 लोग बैठे हैं. One of them is David, and she was like that out of, I mean, what were the odds कि David उसका बॉस निकलेगा. But then there is another person also sitting who is a woman who is David's wife. Her name is Adele, and उसका confusion वहीं पे clear हो जाता है कि exactly क्या हुआ था, why David he left like that. So she was like he is not a nice person and all of that, and it was going in her mind, and she went to his cabin. She introduced herself, and she told him that whatever happened last night, we should just move past ahead, and I'm your secretary, you're my boss, and we do not have any other choice, so हम normal रहेंगे. We will not talk about that what happened. तो to that David was like हाँ यही करना है, and he told her कि I'm not like that, I don't do that a lot, like I have not done that ever. I've enjoyed your company, you made me laugh a lot, and मैं बहुत टाइम बाद इतना हंसा था, and that's why I was very happy. So it happened, and I'm not like that. So Louise को she found a little honesty in whatever he was saying, and she forgave him. She was like okay ठीक है हो गया, and we will move past it. But there was tension between these two individuals क्योंकि they really liked each other. They really liked each other. और David married नहीं होता तो maybe something would have happened, but he is married. तो ऐसे चल रहा होता है. But then Louise met Adele also accidentally. Adele has a history of mental illness. She was in mental institution previously, but काफ़ी टाइम से she is मतलब she is normal. And they have moved recently in London, David and Adele दोनों. So she is starting a new life, a new house and everything. She is very pretty, she is very polite when she speaks, she is kind, and उसको देख के ऐसा लगता है कि like she is rich, she has money. So she accidentally meets Louis, and they become friend. Louis did not have any choice in like in that matter क्योंकि Adele कुछ भी बोलती है, she is so pretty कि उसको कोई मना ही नहीं कर पाता, and she knows this thing. तो she uses her beauty in some way. एंड लुइस वाज लाइक कि कैसे, मतलब शी इज़ सो प्रिटी, शी इज़ सो पोलाइट एंड काइंड, तो कोई कैसे उस पर चीट कर सकता है, एंड शी वॉज थिंकिंग अबाउट ऑल ऑफ दैट थिंग. Adele also helped Louis with Louis's night terror क्योंकि she also used to have it. तो उसके पास एक डायरी थी which was Rob's diary. Rob was her friend in that mental institution. तो she gave that diary to Louis कि this will help you, and it did help her. तो इस reason से they became very close. Now things would have been okay अगर ये यहीं तक रहता. But what happened is that Louis had an affair with David. एंड इट बिकेम कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्योंकि अडेल को नहीं पता है कि लुइस एंड डेविड आर हैविंग अफेयर, एंड डेविड को नहीं पता है कि अडेल एंड लुइस आर फ्रेंड्स. तो लुइस इस ऐसे सिचुएशन में है वेयर शी इज़ नॉट वेरी प्राउड ऑफ हर सेल्फ. शी वॉन्ट्स टू गेट अवे फ्रॉम बोथ दीज पीपल बट शी इज़ नॉट एबल टू. For some reason she is just getting entangled in their business, उनके marriage में on all of that, and she wants to know more about both of them क्योंकि वो जैसे जिस तरह से डेविड को देखती है, she cannot point to something that there is something wrong with David. बट उसको ये भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा होता कि अडेल इतनी अच्छी है, then why is he cheating on her. एंड अडेल जो चीज़ों से डेविड के बारे में बता रही होती है, जो चीज़ों से दिख रही होती हैं कि क्या हो रही होती हैं अडेल के साथ, तो शी वॉज लाइक कि ये दो साइड है डेविड के, एंड शी वॉज नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड हिम. और वो बहुत ही क्लोज ऑफ रहता था. जब भी शी ट्राई टू आस्क हिम अबाउट हिज मैरिज एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, तो वो उसको कोई चीज़ से बताता नहीं था. तो उसका वो जो क्यूरियोसिटी था एंड जो गिल्ट था उसके अंदर कि आई एम डूइंग रॉन्ग एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, वो कहीं ना कहीं उसे इन दोनों के बीच में बहुत बुरा फंसाता है. बट दिस इज़ नॉट अबाउट मैरिज और अफेयर और फ्रेंड और बिट्रियल एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. इट्स नॉट अबाउट दैट. इट्स अ लॉट मोर देन दैट. अभी ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि हाँ ये इन तीनों की स्टोरी इस तरीके से है जहाँ पे बिट्रियल हो रहा है एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. नो, इट्स नथिंग व्हाट आई हैव टोल्ड यू. ये तो इसकी बेस स्टोरी थी, ठीक है, बट oh my god, there are twists, so many twists, like not just one twist is there are layers after layers, and as you keep on reading you will be like what exactly is happening. And ये normal story से this moves through towards this psychological thriller in such a way कि you will be blown away कि you just cannot see that happening. It just transitions very smoothly to that psychological thriller part. एंड पेसिंग इज़ अमेजिंग. जो पूरी जैसे लिखा गया है, जो राइटिंग है वो भी बहुत ही अमेजिंग है. बीच में थोड़ा सा एंड के पहले जो है थोड़ा सा एक पार्ट था जो कि फेल्ट लाइक अ स्लो बर्न, बट आई थिंक इट वाज वर्थ. एक भी पार्ट ऐसा नहीं है जिसमें कि ऐसा लगे कि नो इट वाज अननेसेसरी, क्योंकि जैसे आप उस पर एंड की तरफ जाते हो ना, यू रियलाइज़ कि अच्छा this is what that meant for which you read in the previous chapters. तो कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं था इसमें जो कि unnecessary लिखा हुआ हो. बहुत ही amazing है. जो hype है and जो उसमें twist हुए हैं, you will never be able to guess what exactly is happening. और अगर आपको लगेगा भी ना कि हाँ ठीक है ये यहीं तक है, but then there is also a twist in the end. and इसकी जो स्टोरी की बेस्ट चीज़ है ना, यू विल नॉट नो कि आपको किसके लिए ज़्यादा बुरा लग रहा है. डू यू फील बैड अबाउट अडेल और लुइस और डेविड, whom you should be feeling bad more for, or for Adam, or for the people who are indirectly involved with these three. किसके लिए आपको ज़्यादा बुरा लगेगा. तो ये है स्टोरी. एंड या आई हैव वॉच्ड दी सीरीज़ ऑल्सो. मैंने मतलब पैरेलली ही देखा है, एंड सीरीज़ इज़ इक्वली गुड. अगर आप देखना चाहो तो आप सीरीज़ भी देख सकते हो. थोड़ा सा डेविएशन है फ्रॉम द स्टोरी, एग्जैक्टली यही है, बट हाउ इट्स रिटन हियर देयर इज लिटिल डेविएशन in that series. And also I think reading book was a good decision, क्योंकि काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें थी जो मतलब insights थे कि क्या अडेल सोच रही है, what Louis is thinking and all of that, वो मुझे इसमें बेटर तरीके से पता लगा. बट सीरीज़ में भी अच्छा है क्योंकि by the end you will know everything. आपको सब चीज़ समझ में आ जाएगी. And yeah, I think I have kept it spoiler free. So if you want to read this one, I mean, I highly recommend reading this one. If you are a psychological thriller lover, you should be reading this one. And yeah, that was my review for this book. If you have already read it, do let me know what you liked about this book. If you did not like it, what you did not like in this book. And also, if you have any suggestion for me, you can write in the comment section that what I should be reading next. And yeah, that was the video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.